Hi guys, how you doing? And we do the Harry's razor today. I'm gonna shave with it. It's got about 4 or 5 blades and a cushioned hair. You see that? What you want to do is wet this washcloth with warm water, squeeze it out, and apply it to your beard. Like so. Okay. That'll get the what do you call it? The bristles to stand up. It's enough. Then you take your cream, put a small dot. Still don't get like that. And you can't see it, I don't know. But take your brush, go in your hand like this, apply it. Paint it on. Okay, your skin. Might need a little bit more. Paint it on like you're painting paint. Okay, down here. I don't have a bowl yet. If somebody wants to buy me a bowl, that'd be great for the shave cream. Just like that, nice thin coat. Rinse my hands. Take your razor, put your water to hot. I usually do 1 stroke, like that. I tend to go over it, 1 stroke. It really follows the contour of your chin when you shave with this. I gotta get that off my lip. Tasting a little shave cream there. Very smooth. I rinse it every stroke there. And this is about my 4th shave with this blade. I'm still running strong. Got a haircut yesterday. My wife did that with the buzzer. Right there. Do the chin. Some people like to put ice on this afterwards. You can if you want. Up to you. I usually just take the washcloth and wipe it. There we go, all freshly shaved. Pretty good shave, let me tell you, for the 4th time. So that's your video for today. Thank you for watching. Please rate and subscribe. And I gotta turn the camera off. See you guys.